Hi, so here we are, 2023, and I believe that you had a great holiday and you have entered 2023 with some strategies to ensure that you achieve your goals and, most importantly, become successful. And I wish you the very best of this year, and then praying for you that you will really work on yourself so that you will achieve your goals and become successful. Now, our registration is ongoing for the ICA April 2022 examination with our live lectures starting on Saturday, 7th of January 2022. So, if you have not registered yet, you can head on to our website, InsyraPremium.com, or download the Nhyira Premium mobile application on the Google Play Store or the App Store so that you can enroll in the subject to start studying under my mentorship. So, we assist you in order for you to prepare well for the examination and, most importantly, become successful. Now, like I say always, it is important that you start studying on time so that you don't have to work under pressure going into the examination. Now, as the results have been released for December 2022, I believe that you did well. I believe that you went in there and did what you could do. And I believe that you were able to pass your exams. Now, in case you were not able to pass your exam, what I want you to do is not to write off yourself or become downhearted as an individual generally and say that I've done this and done this and done this and done this and I still fail the exams. What I want you to do is to just reflect on yourself and ask yourself why you started this in the first place. The reason you started this is that you know that becoming a chartered accountant is a catalyst that will enable you to become successful. It is a catalyst that will take your life to the next level. So the journey is going to be coming with some difficulties, some challenges, but the most important thing is not about giving up, but it's about heading and getting to the destination at the end of the day and achieving that goal so that your life will not remain the same. So all I'm trying to say is this. Maybe you had a result, something that you were not expecting, and so it has, made you downhearted. It has made you not motivated, and maybe you're even thinking about writing it off and maybe taking a break from the ICA and do something else and later on come back. But I will say that it will be a wrong decision to make if you decide to take a break now. The reason is that it is fresh in your head. The things that you learned or you studied in the last period is still in your memory. You know about it very well. There are various reasons or factors that go into the examination and making you to pass the exams. So instead of deciding to take a break, what I will suggest to you is that you sit down, reflect, and take this paper again, write the exam again in the April 2023 examination. Do not take a break. Do not take a break. That will be the wrong decision you make. The reason is if you take a break, everything is going to go. And if you come back, you're going to start everything again from scratch. So you are better off to start studying as early as possible. That is what I recommend every time. Start studying as early as possible. We're going to have 12 weeks to go. 12 weeks. If you can have time by yourself with your book and do something on your own every week for 12 weeks, in addition to attending lectures, being guided and being mentored, can guarantee you, you will pass the exams. You will pass the exams. It is important that you do this. It is important that you don't write this off. It is important that you don't see it as something that is challenging, something that is difficult. Yes, the pass mark is not encouraging. Yes, a lot of people are failing. But if you work hard, if you dedicate yourself, if you commit, if you do the right thing, if you stop being lazy and stop prioritizing other things other than your education, other than becoming a chartered accountant as early as possible, as soon as possible, I can guarantee you, you will become successful. You will pass the exams. So if you're thinking of putting your boat aside, literally, if you're thinking of taking a break, if you're thinking of relaxing a little bit, probably this is not good. I will say, don't relax. Don't hang the boat yet. Don't take any break. Don't take any vacation. Do it again. Prepare yourself. Do it again. Prepare yourself. Write it again. April 2023, you have to go and write the exam again. So don't take any break. All right? Don't do it. It's not helpful. Now, I understand it's a bit challenging, it's a bit heartbreaking when it's not even about the money because, I tell people about this. Failing the exams is not about, yeah, you've wasted money. I mean, you can make the money back generally. But if you look at the time, you look at the other resources apart from money that went into it, and you look at the emotional trauma you go through, I mean, the experiences that you go through, and the results come and you don't pass, it's heartbreaking. It's not encouraging at all. Yes, that's it. But will you give up? Okay, you don't want to become a chartered accountant again? Okay, what do you want to go and do? Okay, what would you tell your children? Oh, mommy started something she didn't finish. Oh, daddy started something she didn't finish. How can you encourage your children? How can you encourage your spouse? How can you talk to your younger brother, your younger sister? How can you talk to people who look up to you when you couldn't even achieve your goals as an individual? So know that the whole thing here, it's not just about you. It's about your spouse. It's about your children. It's about the people who look up to you. You have to become that role model. That is why you cannot give up now. I don't care what your experience had been. Yes, I know. Somebody is saying, Nhyira, you don't understand the emotional trauma, the sleepless night. My spouse says that, I don't know, my children say, everybody think I am dumb, I am stupid. No, you are not dumb. You are not stupid. You are not just doing the right thing that you're supposed to do in order for you to pass the exams. Period. Because remember, the exam you failed, someone passed. Some people passed. Some people passed. What did they do to pass? Do they have two heads? No. Are they more blessed than you? I don't think so. So what made them pass? I think they went extra mile than you did. So you have to take responsibility and reflect on yourself and decide to consciously put some strategies in place to ensure that April 2023, you pass the examination. You cannot give up. You cannot give up. You cannot take a break. It's painful. It's difficult. It's challenging. It's demotivating. But you still got to do it anyways. Like I said, your life depends on it. Maybe not just yourself, but for your spouse, your children, your relatives, your younger brother, your younger sister. So that when they face things that are difficult like that, you can use your story as a point of reference and they can get inspiration from that and continue to pursue their goals. Don't give up. Don't hang the boots. Let me assist you so you can become successful. Let me hold your hand so you become successful. Let me give you the blueprint and provide you with the mentorship that you require so you can pass your examination. Our online education, our online portal is designed in such a manner to enable you to pass the examination. If you go through our programs, the way it has to go, you have to go through it. This is our data. 90% of the students who go through our programs, the way we designed the program, pass their exams. 90%. And it's hard. We have our live lectures, we have our executive sessions, we have our Q&A, we have assignments, we have performance evaluation tests, we have live questions on the portal, our executive revision masterclass, we have our examination analysis document. We have the examination analysis document. All of these inclusive in our programs at 430 Ghana cedis to ensure that you pass the examination. And if you go through the programs, put aside yourself and commit to work hard on yourself, I can guarantee you, you will pass the examination. Let me help you. Let me hold your hand. I want to mentor you. And I want to assist you so you become successful in April 2023. So check the description of this video and head on to our website, NhyiraPremium.com, or download our mobile application and enroll in a course today. Study under my mentorship. With my team here at Nhyira Premium Organizations, let's assist you so you become successful. I'll see you on Saturday as we begin our journey and continue for the April 2023 examination. Remember, you are closer than you think. So don't give up. Try again. And I can guarantee you, you will pass if you work the way you're supposed to work. Wishing you the very best and can't wait to have you as we continue with our discussion. See you.